friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw a mandala. So for drawing a mandala, you should have a rough sketch or an outline sketch of any of the things that you feel like beautiful. So you can even use a bottle sketch or a lion or a tiger or some butterflies, birds, anything. You just need an outline sketch into which you have to fill the beautiful mandala designings. So mandala is a form of art which keeps you completely engaged into the work while you're doing. So it is all about your creativity and your way of filling the entire drawing with beautiful patterns inside it. So in this I chose elephant and now I'm trying to fill it with beautiful patterns that I have in my mind. So it is completely up to you whatever patterns you choose and you can make. So I know not everybody of us are a fantabulous artist, not even me, but still we have talent and we only have to focus on the outline image, and then inside that whatever you fill it looks very beautiful and amazing, and you can even frame it and keep it onto your walls or any of the places which makes that place beauty look beautiful, and it even looks beautiful into the books or anything that you save as a memory. So for doing this, all you have to do is some dedication and some interest while doing this. Mandala actually helps you to relax and get you some time for yourself when you're too busy with the work that you're engaged always. So you just have to try the way you're doing it. So it is all about your own creativity and knowledge of doing things. I'm just trying to fill each and every part of my out sketch in such a way that it looks beautiful and completely filled with the art. So you can even do far better than what I am doing, because I know that I am not a wonderful artist, but still I am trying to do it because this is my passion. So even if you are having a passion to do something else, you can definitely do it with all your heart and bring out the best creator inside you. And let me tell you one interesting thing. Even I learned about this pattern of mine or this passion of mine during this lockdown. So I have enough time to do something, so I just started to sketch some outlines of anything that I can possibly do, and then I just started filling it beautifully with the patterns that I know and I learned. You can use even very simple patterns. All you have to make sure is every part of your mandala is filled and looks beautiful when it is done. So keep on going, friends. You will definitely find it interesting and even stress relieving when you have time. So friends, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you also try doing this and definitely post your comments so that it will encourage me. Thanks for watching.